Hi, this is Ben from Bourse Data. Welcome to the Bourse Analyser. In this video, we'll go through all the different types of derivatives available in the Bourse Analyser, where to access them, how to set them up, and how you can use them in your daily use. So we go to market data across the top, and then we go to derivatives. So we'll just resize the actual options window, make it a bit easier to see. And we'll see that Westpac's populated on your screen there. We'll just update the code, just type in CBA for example, click on Commonwealth Bank, and you'll see that's going to populate on your screen. Of course, like all our other windows, you can either search by code or you can actually search by company name. We'll put Westpac in, we'll search by that, and you see that's populated onto your screen. You can now filter by the expiry dates on there, so we'll look at some April expiries. Okay, you can scroll down and you can see a bit more there. So you got your types, so calls and puts, and you also got your styles, your American and European style options. So we just want to filter just by calls, so you see just the type is just C for calls. Now we'll just filter it just for American. So American calls, and then you can see your strike price on the right as well. So we'll just change that back to all so we see everything. Okay. Now we'll go over and you can basically hide or make visible columns that you want to see. So in this instance we've just hidden the description column and just made it visible again. Also, if you left click on, say, the type column and you hold the left mouse button down, you can drag it. You can drag where the position is, and it works for all the columns. Just you can drag it back exactly the same. Now we'll go up to the warrants in the top right corner. So in that drop down menu, left click on warrants, and they work exactly the same as your options, where you can select it by your type and your styles. And also others which are more like synthetic derivatives, specifically for Westpac, created by the company. So you can look at those. If we go back to your options and we scroll down a bit and we look for something in the market, and you left click to select that column and you right click with your mouse, we can make a quote request. So we'll place the quote request and you'll see a notification in the bottom left corner, and the bid and ask should update. So let's set this up in a layout. So we go to your market data and we'll add a watch list first of all. So we've got your watch list position there. We'll go to the top 20 watch list. And now we'll go to your derivatives in the market data menu. We'll set that up the way we like it. Then we'll go through and add also the quote request function. So it's all synced up in one particular layout. That was actually under the trading menu there, the quote request function. So it's basically all linked up with one request. And then we'll add a little depth in the bottom right corner so we can see our requests into the market, how they affect the depth as well. So we'll just adjust this layout just to get it the way I like it. Then we'll click on A and Z and you'll see each one of these windows update dynamically with the derivatives and the depth. So we've got CBA example there. We'll just change the expiry to May's expiry. We'll scroll down and look for something in the market. So we've got that CBA ME9, that's updated in the depth as well. And you'll see it's updating the quote request. We're going to put a request for both sides, so the bids and the asks. And when we hit quote request, you'll see the price updates, especially on the ask side, and it also updates in your depth below. For more information about the Bourse Analyser, go to www.boursedata.com.au Also, check out our other videos on YouTube. So, just search for BOURSEDATA in the search field, or send us an email, support@boursedata.com.au, or even give us a call on 1300 363